Printing remains one of the most overlooked security risks in enterprises. Sensitive documents are often left exposed, untracked, and unprotected. Without control, printed documents move beyond secure spaces, left exposed in places they should never be. This is where AnySecura steps in, delivering secure, efficient, and fully managed printing for enterprises. Gain full control over who is allowed or blocked from printing when printing is permitted across your organization, along with a full set of printing permission controls. Users can customize print watermarks based on their security policies. Once configured, all printed documents will be automatically stamped with the defined watermark information, ensuring consistent visibility and traceability across the organization. Every print job is fully recorded, including print type, time, user, device information, and more, providing complete visibility into all printing activities within the organization. Take full control of enterprise printing with AnySecura.